Good morning 12th students. Today I am teaching lesson number 12 aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid group. Yesterday I started the organic chemistry. Part 1 I taught you. Now in part 2 we will see the preparations. Yesterday up to here I taught you these structure. Now we are starting our nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group. For the aldehydes and ketones, aldehyde and ketones are the simplest and the most important carbonyl compounds. There are two systems of nomenclatures of aldehyde and yesterday we completed here only. Today we are starting our preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Okay. Before that I am starting with the structure of the carbonyl group. See, carbonyl. Structure of the carbonyl group, you can see C, double bond O, here the single bond, here the single bond. So it is here shown carbon to carbonyl, oxygen, sigma bond. You can see the two pi bonds and you can see the angle. Okay. So the carbonyl group atom in sp2 hybridized and forms 3 sigma bonds. The fourth valence electron of carbon remain in its p orbital and forms a pi bond with oxygen by overlapping the p orbital of an oxygen. In addition, the oxygen atom also has two non-bonding electron pairs. Okay, oxygen you are knowing 6 it is having. So oxygen double bond here, here 2 bonding and 2 non-bonding. Thus the carbonyl carbon and 3 atoms attached to it lie in the same plane and the pi electron cloud is above and below this plane. Okay. The bond angles are 120 and expected of a trigonal coplanar structure. Figure 12.1. You can see C double bond O. See if this bond is gone with double bond, so here the negative and here is the positive charge. The carbon oxygen double bond is polarized due to higher electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon. See, carbon is in 4th group, oxygen is in 6th group, so higher electronegativity of oxygen. Hence the carbonyl carbon is electrophilic Lewis acid and carbonyl oxygen a nucleophilic Lewis base. You are knowing no earlier what is Lewis acid and what is Lewis base center. Carbonyl compound have substitutional diponal moment and are polar than others. The high polarity of the carbonyl group is explained on the basis of resonance structure. Okay, you have to do this index questions. Yesterday I taught you part 1. In that you have to do the 12.1 these 3 parts. Okay, these 6 questions. Write the structure of the following compounds. Now our next topic is 12.2 preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones. First, by oxidation of alcohols. Already in 11th you did aldehyde and ketones are generally prepared. In class 12 in unit 11 aldehyde and ketones are generally prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols. See, alcohols primary and secondary, from there you are aware to prepare the aldehyde and ketones. Now second method is by oxidation. By oxidation means, okay, so it is converting into second by dehydrogenation of alcohols. This method is suitable for volatile alcohols and is of industrial application. In this method alcohol vapors are passed over are passed over heavy metal, catalyzes silver or copper. Primary and secondary alcohols give aldehydes and ketones respectively in unit 11 class 12th. Okay, now our third topic is from hydrocarbons. First, second, now third. From hydrocarbons. How we will prepare aldehyde and ketones. Okay, so first is by ozonolysis of alkenes. As we know, ozonolysis of alkenes followed by reaction with zinc dust and water gives aldehyde. First, ketones are a mixture of both depending on the substitutes patterns of the alkene. Unit 13 we will do. In 11th we did. By hydration of alkynes, addition of water to ethine in the presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4 gives aldehyde. All other alkynes give ketones in the reaction. Class 11th, unit 13 we did. Now our new topic, 12.222 preparation of aldehyde. First, that is in this chapter. Earlier I revised only that we did in 11th or in earlier chapters. Now first method is from acyl chloride or acid chloride. Okay, so what is acyl chloride? You see this benzene structure. I am giving you around this connected with C, double bond O, and this one is Cl. This is called benzoyl chloride. You are knowing now what is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Okay. With the help of hydrogen, palladium and BaSO4, you are using catalyst. So you will get on this position benzaldehyde. Not on this, or here you will get benzaldehyde. So acyl chloride is converted into benzyl. So benzaldehyde. This one is called benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is the first. Very simple. COCl is converting into CHO group by these conditions. First method. Now second, from nitriles and esters. First, RCN, nitriles, use the suitable condition SnCl2 plus HCl in acidic medium. You will get converted into RCN. Cyano group is converted into CH double bond NH nitrile. Okay. Further, RCHO. R means simple alkyl and aldehyde. Okay. So in this matter, this reaction is called Stephan reaction. This reaction is called Stephan. Means from nitriles, RCN, essential suitable conditions, you are getting RCH double bond NH, and further it converts into RCHO. Okay. So this one is called the Stephan reactions. So these nitriles are reduced to corresponding. See, nitriles are reducing to corresponding imines with stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid within hydrolysis give corresponding aldehydes. Alternatively, nitriles are second selectively reduced by disoboletum aluminum chloride. You have to use this catalyst DIBALH to iminize followed by hydrolysis of aldehyde. Very simple. Again, by using another catalyst, you are using RCN. Simple nitriles are with ALHIBUT 2H2O. They are simple convert into RCHO from nitrile to aldehyde. Now we are taking one example as if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And give suitable condition, you will get double bond here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only cyano is going to convert into CHO group. So this cyano is getting converted into aldehyde group by this method. Similarly, if we want to get esters are also reduced to aldehydes with this method. So this similarly esters are also. So this is ester reduced to aldehyde. So by nitriles and by esters, this is the example of nitrile and this is the example of COOR, that is called ester. Okay, ester is reduced into corresponding aldehyde group, CHO group. So only you have to convert this. Now the third method is from hydrocarbons. Okay, so I will teach you in the next lesson, next lecture.